Hello again, Fragrance fam. Here at AFI, we're so excited that Christmas is right around the corner. So we're showcasing our very own gingerbread fragrance in some adorable and festively decorated wax melts. If you want your home to smell warm, spicy, and inviting this season, this scent is a must-have. Here's how to use it. To make these wax melts super strong, I'm using our premium soy para-blend wax. It has the smooth properties of a soy wax with an added boost to throw thanks to the paraffin. Melt it using a double boiler or wax melting pot like me. When it's sitting at around 185 degrees, measure out 8.5 ounces using a scale to fill 4 of these rectangular clamshell molds. Feel free to adjust the amount of wax you use based on your own molds. Add a 10% fragrance load, which is 0.85 ounces for me. This wax can handle high fragrance concentrations as is, and since you don't have to worry about clogging the wick of a candle in a wax melt, you can really push it to the limit. Stir the fragrance in gently but thoroughly for at least a minute. I find the longer I stir as the wax cools, the better the fragrance distribution throughout. Fill the clamshell molds when it drops to 140 degrees or slightly below to prevent warping the plastic molds. Let each container cool to room temp fully before moving on to the decor. They already smell great, but with a couple of simple steps, you can give them tons of shelf appeal. Melt the remaining wax and repeat the previous steps up until pouring it into the molds. Split the wax in half and add 1 or 2 drops of red candle dye to one and green candle dye to the other. Stir well and check the temperature. When it's around 140 degrees, use a pipette to drizzle the colored wax on top of the melts like frosting. Working quickly while the drizzle is still liquid, you can stick on some little gingerbread man embeds. Be sure to check out the other tutorials if you want tips on making wax embeds. These little guys are made using the same wax and fragrance we use to make the rest of the wax melts with some added brown candle dye. Finally, top it all off with some festive red glitter. It'll stick to the wax well even if it's cooled. Be sure to tap off any excess. Cute, right? Like all the tutorials we share here on the channel, you can use all these techniques to suit different fragrances, designs, and brand aesthetics. By swapping out the scent and using other embeds, it's easy and fun to make a whole collection of decorated melts. Let me know what fragrances are on your holiday wish list this year, and if you have any questions. As always, thanks so much for watching, y'all. I'm Beth, and I hope your holidays are happy and safe. Bye!